Thanks so much for choosing Joe's Gaming and Electronics for your electronics repair needs. My name is Matt, and I want to show you how to ship your small electronics into us for repair. Within a few minutes of you filling out the repair form on our website, you should be sent an email that has a shipping label attached to it at the bottom of the email. Simply open that shipping label and then print it out. Check on the shipping label to see if it says first class mail or priority mail. If it says first class mail, we recommend using any standard blank padded shipping envelope to ship your items into us. First class mail does have a weight limit associated with it, so make sure that you check what the weight limit is on the top of your shipping label. If you do exceed that weight, there will be additional fees charged to us when we pick your package up from the post office. Those fees will then be added to your total repair cost when your bill is due. If we send you a label that says priority mail flat rate padded envelope on it, you're going to want to use this padded envelope. Most local post offices will give these to you for free. You want to make sure that you don't use the blue Priority Express envelope, as this will charge you about $20 in additional shipping fees. Those fees will then be transferred onto your total repair cost. What we would recommend when you're shipping any package into us is that you get the package scanned in at the post office. There's two reasons for this. The first one being that you will receive a tracking number right away, and you'll have the peace of mind in knowing that the Postal Service has received and scanned in your package and that it is being tracked. We definitely do not recommend leaving your package on your front porch or simply putting it in a drop box, as that does not guarantee that the Postal Service will actually receive the package. Secondly, when you bring that package into the post office, they're going to tell you if it's correctly packaged and if there's any additional shipping fees that need to be paid. This way, you'll be able to either repackage it or pay those shipping fees in advance instead of having them added to your bill. All of the first class labels that we send out do not come with insurance, and the priority shipping labels only come with a standard $50 of insurance. If you are looking to have more insurance added to your shipping label, this is yet another reason to bring it into the post office and have it scanned in. You can add that insurance when you actually bring the package into the post office. We don't need you to send any accessories in with your items. We have all the accessories required to test your items when they're shipped into us. If you do decide to use your own shipping label instead of ours, that's totally fine. You just want to make sure that the name and the address that are on your shipping label are the same as the ones you used when you filled out our repair form. You also want to transfer the service request number from the shipping label that we emailed you to your shipping label. Or you can simply include our shipping label within your package. This allows us to easily recognize whose items are being sent into us and make sure that the repair process goes as smoothly as possible. If you do have any questions about how to package your items or getting them sent into us, feel free to reach out to us. We're here to help, and we'll get back to you as quickly as we can. Thanks so much for trusting Joe's Gaming and Electronics with your electronics repairs.